there's some voicemails for you that we want you to listen to.
Voicemails. Okay, great. We're gonna keep it together here.
Hey Fred, it's Justin. Fred, my dog.
Hi, brother.
Hey babe, it's your wife.
What's up, Fred? It's Troy. Wow, you get to go play in a game you dreamed of since we started playing.
He must have wrote that out first. He was trying to read it. That's my dog for life. That's my twin.
I'm so proud of you, not for just the player you've become, but the man you become.
Schulman. Some people, they have just a strictly business relationship with their agents, but me and him, man, that's like family to me.
You've been defying the odds since you were in high school, being able to become the best linebacker in the league now.
It's my dog, Terrell, childhood best friend, man. We grew up in this thing together.
Words cannot even begin to describe how immensely proud I am of you. You will forever be one of my biggest role models, and I just want you to know how much I love you and how excited I am to watch you play out there on Sunday.
I can't let y'all get me, man. This is wow. That is really special.
I am so blessed to be able to carry our firstborn son. We are on the most wild ride of life right now, and I wouldn't want to do it with anyone else.
Us welcoming our firstborn child into the world is everything.
Hey Fred, it's Mom. You said you would be back, making your dreams come true like you always do. I am so very proud of you. I know you got this.
Go get you a ring, man.
I love you, big bro.
I love you, baby boy.
I love you more than anything in this world.
You have to lose it, boy. Oh, I love you too, Mom. You know, it's not just about me. It's about everybody that's helped me get to this point, and I love them a lot.